DongGuan MingHuaXing Packaging Company Limited was established in October 2010 with construction area 10,000 square meters and more than 150 employees. MingHuaXing MHBox as a leading China manufacturer of luxury bespoke packaging box. We are able to produce a wide range of rigid boxes, either handcrafted in low volumes or manufactured in large volumes on our automated machinery. Most of our boxes are generated to the cosmetic industry like perfume box, cosmetic gift box, Christmas advent calendar box. Besides this, there are also other industries like whiskey, jewelry, electronic, and so on. MHBox has been growing up rapidly in recent years. This is mainly thanks to our excellent work team with dedicated enthusiasm and impregnable faith. The most important is thanks to the reliance and support of our old and new clients. At present, MingHuaXing Company has the most advanced printing and post-process corollary equipments, such as German Heidelberg printing machine, paper cutting machine, automatic die cutting machine, automatic laminating machine, automatic mounted machine, automatic foil stamping machine and embossing machine, automatic lid and base box making machine, etc. Our company is mainly engaged in high-quality gift box, cosmetic box, Christmas advent calendar box, perfume box, foldable magnet box, book-style box, drawer-style box, wine box, chocolate box, cylinder, etc. At present, the company has passed ISO 9001-2008, FSC, and SEDEX 4P certification. From the strict control of raw materials inspection to all the process of production, the high-quality product is a strong guarantee of the product image of our clients. Unflagging pursuit of excellence is the key that we can succeed. The high speed of market reflection, the fastest delivery time, guide of client, satisfaction rule, mutual benefit idea of service. All those factors let our MHXbox can set up a firm foot in packaging industrial area. Meanwhile, we pay more attention to the friendly eco-environment during our production and push the plan of green environment protection so as to show our society responsibility and try to perfect our client service. We perform the plan through the way from purchasing raw materials to every process of production, so that we can try our best to close the international orbital of green environment protection.